The world is accelerating with AI, and the countries that prepare first will lead first. Today, the question is no longer when AI will arrive. The real question is, how ready is your organization? ICDL AI Engineering Workshop, an intensive 5-day hands-on program for engineers and organizations ready to build real AI, from data management, model development, and generative AI to deployment and responsible AI. This program is supported by the BOI. Eligible organizations can participate at no cost. This is not just another training course. It is a strategic investment in the nation's future. Organizations will gain teams capable of building real AI solutions, reducing costs, increasing efficiency, and strengthening competitive advantage. The country will gain high-level digital talent to power the new economy. Limited seats available. This is the first train of Thailand's AI economy. Don't let your organization miss it. Apply now. Lead the change, shape the future. ICDL AI Engineering Workshop. Supported by BOI, the Board of Investment of Thailand.